All right, I'm going to attempt to do this. So a very, very quick breakdown of Etsy SEO. Okay, so some of the top factors that you need to be aware of when it comes to ranking is relevance. Okay, so is your listing relevant to what the customer is actually searching for? And it's why I always say, if you find a really good keyword phrase, whether that means repeating words or not, if you find 2 or 3 of these, you want to use the exact match phrases, because exact matches always rank better. And throughout my own tests, my student tests, this has always been the case. Also, listing quality score. This is looking at things like how well has your listing converted in the past. At the end of the day, Etsy wants people to actually purchase, so they are going to be showing listings that are proven to convert well, that have really good reviews. And I would really implore you to go and do a search now, anything like silver elephant bracelet, heart locket, whatever, and do a search, and you will see that the top listings are ones that have a lot of reviews and, to be honest with you, are proven to sell. Okay. Also, you have customer and marketplace experience score. So making sure that, hey, you aren't just going to run away with their money and never send the products. You don't have cases, you don't have IP infringement marks against you, and all these kinds of things.